Hello art students, art lovers. This is the second video I am going to make for art lovers, especially the art students who want to paint, who want to draw well. In the first video I just told you some basics about the art, about the drawing, about the paints. And now it's the second video, just I'm going to tell you about the nature of drawing, about the values, about the values of drawing, values of sketches. You just have to concentrate what I'll be going to tell you, what I'll be going to instruct everybody. You just have to concentrate what I am going to teach you. The first thing, you have to be 4 feet away from an object. Then you just start drawing as I just told in the last video. You may watch that video, but now it's time for me to tell you that you have to see there are 6 values. You can see the value chart. There are 6 values, and every object has 6 values. If you want to put the object in front of you, you don't have to put that object in front of you while you have multiple lights, multiple source of lights, more than one source of light in the room. If you have more than one source of light in one room, then don't put that object in front of you. You have to use one source of object for your one source of light for your object. If there would be one source of light for your object, then that would be easier for you to understand the light, to understand the values, to understand the tones. That would be very easy for you. First, if you have many bulbs and many energy savers, blah blah blah, whatever the sources of lights are, if you have more than one, then you just have to turn all the lights off, then turn the one light on. It is very better. It is the best for you if you put the object in the sunshine. Sunshine is the best source of light. If your object is in sunshine, then you are unable to sit in the sunshine. If there is summer, you just capture the object. You don't need to sit in the sunshine. Then you can draw when you had captured. When you if you are having the one source of light, then you have to sit in front of the object. You start drawing. After the drawing, you have to apply 6 values in that object. You have to see where the values are, what value is needed in which portion. There is an object, and you have to apply. First, you have to apply the darkest value in the object. You will be thinking where the darkest value is. It's very simple. You just have to see the object and observe where the dark portion is. Then start applying the darkest object. There are 6 values: darkest, darker, dark, light, lighter, lightest. These values should be applied on the object. Then you have to apply glare and edges. What is edge? The edge is the darkest portion on the still life object. When you have applied all the values in that object, you just have to remove a little the outlines. The outlines should be removed a little, not the completely removed, just a little. You just have to start removing the outlines with your eraser remover, whatever you are having for the pencil. So then apply 6 values. There are many objects, those are not having 6 values. Some objects are having 6 values. You just have to see the object is a mud object, like glass object, and the metal object. different sort of values and shades are in that object. Then start erasing the outlines, lighten the outlines. Then if you had done it, you just have to maintain the edges, maintain the corners of that object. After maintaining the corners, the background and ground should be applied, should be made. So this was the lesson in the second video. I have started some instructional videos for the beginners and for the artists. In next videos, I'll be instructing the professional artists how to paint well. Now I'm just instructing you for the drawing, for the pencil sketches. But in the future, in near future, I'll be making some videos for painting. So if you want to learn drawing deeply detailed, then you can take admission in my institute. You can work on the assignments, on the project. But if you are unable to apply in my institute, you can watch more videos. But if you want to be the good artist with deep details and deeply instructed videos, you can apply me in online classes as well, and that is also a good option for you. But this video is for beginners. Just start doing it and let me check your assignments in my inbox. I had given my WhatsApp number as well, so everybody knows my WhatsApp number. So keep practicing, keep doing the best. 6 values as I told you. But if you are going to make a glass that is not having that, somehow that will be having 6 values, otherwise that will not be having. But depends on the object. But your eyes should be observing in detail the object, what sort of object is in front of you. Okay, students and artists, will be meeting in the next video. I'll be looking forward for your comments, for your feedback. Goodbye.